Airport Authority of India is celebrating Yatri Sewa Diwas on September 17 in all over the AAI airports in India. In view of that, Goa Airport also celebrating Yatri Sewa Diwas on September 17, that is tomorrow, from morning 9 o'clock to till evening 5 o'clock. The various programs we are planning on this day, starting with greeting the passengers. While arriving the passengers, we will be greeting the passengers with the tikka and the traditional Goan dance, etc. After that, there will be different kinds of activities for the passengers, including kids. The kids below the age of 10, we will be making a drawing competition and drawing painting competition, and we will be distributing prizes for the passengers. And the same time in school also we will be conducting a painting competition as well as career guidance talk. We will be giving a career guidance talk for the students in Kendriya Vidyalaya in Goa, and different types of health checkup, like a full health checkup will be conducting by our Manipal hospital, and blood donation camp that will be conducted by Government District Hospital, Madgaon. At the same time, there will be a free eye checkup for the taxi drivers in the second half. That will be in our conference hall. All this checkup and the health checkup will be free for passengers as well as the staff plus taxi drivers. Apart from that, we will be putting some selfie booths that will be enhancing the airport backdrop, just for their memories when they travel through this Goa airport. They should feel that, see, our Goa airport, you all know that in tourism we are already we are in a scale up in the Goa area, so we have to doing that all this thing along with the support of different stakeholders. These are the main thing. If anything else you would like to know, then I can explain to you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.